Okay, now before I begin this video, I just want to talk about something. So this, as you guys know, is not actually my main channel. This is a new channel that I made, and that's because I've been having some issues over on my regular channel, the channel with 5,000 subscribers. There have been a couple of issues recently, and which is why I've made this backup channel for the time being. So yeah, if you guys are from the main channel, please do subscribe to this channel because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to upload on my main channel anymore. Alright, let's get on to the video. This is the MoFang JiaoShi Mini 4.5cm 3x3 and it is amazing. I unboxed this cube a couple of months ago and out of the box I was already really impressed. But once I looped this cube, yes you can actually loop this cube, and set it up, it was actually even more impressive than I had originally thought. So even though this cube is much smaller than a regular 3x3, as you can see it is noticeably smaller, the turning of this cube is very good and I can actually turn like 10 TPS and more than 10 TPS on this super tiny Rubik's cube. Now this mini Rubik's cube is not magnetic, but even compared to a magnetic cube which is of a larger size, like the turning of the mini 4.5cm cube really stacks up, and it honestly really is amazing considering how small it is, and also considering that it doesn't even have any magnets. Corner cutting on this cube is already pretty good. As you can see, it can reverse corner cut about line to line, and the forward corner cutting is over 45 degrees, which is about what you'd expect from a normal size Rubik's cubes nowadays. Now I will say, the size does take quite some time to get used to, but once you get used to the size, I can actually average almost my normal times on it, maybe plus minus 0.5 seconds. The turning of this cube is extremely impressive, and the fact that a cube this small can turn basically as well as a normal sized cube is extremely impressive, and that's not even considering that this cube doesn't even have magnets in it yet. I average about low 9 seconds, and I can comfortably average about 10 seconds with this cube. Even last layer algorithms which usually think, okay, last layer algorithms you really need to push TPS, I can still execute them pretty fast on this mini Rubik's cube. I can even execute the RUS U-perms. And you guys want to know something else? You know what's the price? This. Nope, it's actually this. This cube is really cheap. Because it's so small, you don't have to use that much material to manufacture it, and it's actually a really fun thing to play with considering that it only costs a few dollars. Now obviously it's not like this is going to be your main or anything, right? This is just more of a fun puzzle to play with that, you know, every once in a while you play it, it's very nice. And if you guys actually train on this, like do a bunch of solves, you can actually get used to the size and you can actually average basically your normal times on it. Okay, now you might be thinking, okay, come on, that's totally useless. Why would I want to use this mini cube? So this mini cube is actually really useful for taking it out with you. Like for example, let's say you're going to dinner, you have pants or shirt, but you want to bring a cube along with you. If you bring a cube, it's going to be really noticeable. Like in your pocket, it's going to have like a gigantic square. But if you bring a cube as small as this and you put it in your pocket, it actually camouflages pretty well and it's not that easily noticeable. Also, when you're cubing, it looks a lot less, you know, like disturbing than if you're using a larger size 3x3. So yeah, obviously this isn't going to be a main contender or anything, but it's definitely a fun thing to play with. I mean, the turning of this cube, as I said like hundreds of times, it's extremely impressive for a mini Rubik's cube. So this was a pretty short video just to show you how good this mini cube is, and this cube isn't even that recent. It was released quite a while ago, but it still stacks up with modern day performance. And come on, like seriously, a cube this size? Yeah, I'm really impressed. Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys try out this cube. It's available at speedcubeshop.com, and you can use the discount code MCuberzz to not only support my channel, but get a discount off your order as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.